Psychology says, not getting enough sleep and being hungry are two biggest reasons for being angry. Almost, forgetting something makes you more likely to remember it. Increasing the psychological distance between you and a problem boosts your creativity. When you are stuck, go do something completely unrelated for a bit. Psychology says the person you care about the most can literally shatter your confidence with their opinions. Learning new things produces physical changes in your brain structure. Just believing that you've slept better than you really have is enough to boost cognitive performance the next day. It'll improve your health in day-to-day life. Psychology claims that mood where everything irritates you indicates that you're missing someone. Psychology involves the human mind and how its functions affect the behavior of a person. It can also include the study of a group's attitude or mental characteristics. A hug can lift your mood. Dopamine is released when you hug or shake hands with someone. This makes you feel good and happy. So give hug to your loved ones or take hug from them. It is psychologically proven that especially red and yellow colors can make us feel hungry. So red, yellow, blue and green colors and maximum brands. Jealousy stems from unhappiness. Rather than letting jealousy take over your emotions, it's best to ask yourself why you feel that way and work on your own goals. Love at first sight is a fabrication. Psychology says, ironically, the more you hide your feelings, the more they show. The more you deny them, the more they grow. Psychology says staying quiet doesn't mean you've got nothing to say. It means you don't think they're ready to hear your thoughts. Psychology says there's nothing scarier than getting what you want, because that's when you really have something to lose. Psychology says the saddest people tend to also seem like the nicest. Psychology says people tend to value memories more than actual people. Sometimes you miss the memories, not the actual person. Psychology says friendship is not about who you spend the most time with, it's about who you have the best time with. Psychology says the people who you treasure most often cause you the greatest pain. Psychology says that depression is often the result of overthinking, and our minds create problems that initially didn't exist. Psychology says being sad with the right people is better than being happy with the wrong ones. Psychology says your personality is who you are. Your attitude is usually based on how a person treats you. Psychologically, one of the most devastating things in life is when someone you care about gives up on you.